Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing video of this Pixi's PR package I got sent in the mail. So if you guys are interested in seeing what's in this huge PR package, just keep watching. But before we start the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload. Let's hop into this Pixibeauty PR unboxing. Guys, so this box is so big I can hardly I can't even hold it up for you guys to see the full like box and everything, but I will be throwing in clips so you guys can see the full box and everything that's in it. So I'm just gonna be opening the box if I can. Okay, as you guys can see, this PR package comes with 4 different palettes. So basically each palette is a collab with an influencer. There is a blush and lip cream palette, there is a highlighting palette, an eyeshadow palette, and then a contouring palette. So each palette is a collab with a beauty influencer, and this is all like put together for Pixipretties. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay this down so I can talk about each individual palette. And also guys, I will be doing a video on each individual palette. I'll be doing swatches and a tutorial using each individual palette. I will be leaving the link for all those videos down below, and actually those videos are going to be on my second channel, that is my makeup channel. So if you guys want to check out those individual videos, definitely look down below, or you can look on YouTube for Makeup Life with Taylor, and that's where I will be uploading those videos. So here is the box. I walked out on my porch and I seen this box and I was totally shocked because I was not expecting to receive this big of a PR package from Pixi. I wasn't even expecting to get any PR package from Pixi, but I was so excited. So you guys can see this is what the PR package looks like. It says Pixi and then hashtag Pixipretties, and then it does open up. It has little ribbons that you can pull for it to open. So I am going to be opening it, and you guys can see there are 4 different sections in this box with 4 different palettes. So there is each section has the influencer that the palette is collabed with, and then a little like quote from them, and then all their like social media handles and everything like that, and then of course the palette they collabed with themselves. And in the middle it's basically just says like this is Pixibeauty's Pixipretties that they collabed with these influencers for to create these palettes and everything like that. So I was completely shocked because this is a really big PR package. I have never received anything like this. I love Pixibeauty and I've tried quite a few of their products, and I'm super excited to get into these and start using them as well. So the first palette right here is a collab with Louise Rowe. This is a cream palette. This you can use it for your blush on your cheeks, or you can use it for lip. And actually I used it for my lips I have on right now. So this is like quite a bit of different shades. Most of them are red shades, and then there is some nudes up here. So I am going to be throwing up close shots of each palette. This is the cream palette for your lips and your cheeks. Next we have this Makeup by Denise palette. This is Mind Your Own Glow. This is a highlighting palette. Every shadow in here is a highlighter. These are super pretty, super pigmented, and I cannot wait to use all the different shadows in here. There are some that is a little bit darker, and then you got some lighter highlights as well. And here is an up close shot of this highlighting palette. Next is this palette right here. This is a Shapeshifter palette. That's what the name of it is. This is a collab with Promise. This is like a contour palette, so you got all your bronzing contouring shades right here. 2 powders you can set your face with, and then there are 2 like highlighting shadows. I don't know why I keep saying shadows. You got 2 highlighters right here as well. Now for me, I am pretty pale, so some of these shadows are definitely going to be too dark, but then some of them are just perfect for my skin tone. And here is the up close shot of the contour palette. Next we have this Tones and Textures eyeshadow palette. This palette has a ton of different shadows in it. This is a collab with Tina Young. So as you guys can see, this palette has a lot of different shadows. You can definitely create some really natural looking eyeshadow looks, and then there is some deeper colors down here. So you could create a super easy, simple look, or you could definitely go a little bit over the top and do something crazy like an over dramatic eyeshadow look if you want. There are tons of different eyeshadow looks you can create with this one palette. And finally, here is the up close shot of the eyeshadow palette. Alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video with me. If you would like to see more unboxing PR packages in the future, definitely comment down below and let me know. Like I said, I am going to be doing separate videos on each one of those palettes. It's going to be 4 totally separate videos on each palette, giving you guys my thoughts, swatches, and a tutorial using each palette. I will be leaving that link down below, or you can search on YouTube Makeup Life with Taylor and find them. So that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.